Hi, this is Rockland Heating and Air. Winter is right around the corner. So we're running an all-inclusive full-service special to make sure your system is all tuned up for the cold winter ahead. With this voicemail coupon, it's only $99 instead of the normal $249. Please give us a call at 213-555-1212 and remember to tell us that you received our $99 full-service voicemail coupon. By the way, we left you this ringless voicemail because we didn't want to interrupt you. Thanks, and we look forward to serving you. Again, our phone number is 213-555-1212.